Come with me as I show you why this home is one of the best value propositions in all of Tuscany. We are in Henderson, Nevada, part of the greater Las Vegas Valley. This is 1067 Via Saint Andrea. We have amazing community amenities. We've got a great golf course, clubhouse, pool, and so much more. The house is immaculate. It is completely move-in ready. It just needs you. Let's go take a look. And thanks so much for joining. My name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. Always appreciate you joining our channel. We're gonna start right here on the third floor. This is an awesome loft. This is an awesome home office. This house was built in 2008. It's got 4,135 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3-car garage. It has 2 brand new air conditioning units. The third unit works perfect. There was a mini split added to the downstairs ensuite bedroom. Makes a great second home office if that's what you need. We also have a new hot water heater, and the interior of the home has been painted. The community is fantastic. It's got a community pool, community golf course, community clubhouse. It's guard gated. We have security 24/7. It's got a fitness room, a gym, racquetball courts, jogging trails, and so much more. The entrance to the third floor we just came from is located behind this mirror in the primary bedroom. While it's not needed to be concealed, there's no specific reason for it. It's just a nice thing to have and a nice place for it. So we're gonna start right off in here in the primary bedroom. It's large, it's luxurious. It's got this nice balcony outside. Kind of just pan around, show you the whole bedroom right here. Then we'll pop into the bathroom area and we'll continue on with the rest of this property. Now, this property is in fantastic condition. I know I mentioned that before, but it truly is. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this property. So it is completely move-in ready. Here we find ourselves in the primary closet, so which is large and spacious. As we pop out, we have one sink area right there. We have this large elevated soaking tub right here. Lots of room to put all your knickknacks and goodies. We have another mirror right here, and we have this large walk-in shower with a landing so you can put your towels, you can get ready. You keep all that water inside the shower area and make sure it doesn't come out into the tile area at all. So then here's our shower. So pretty standard shower. And we have the toilet right off here. It's got your own private door. It's very important to have. Back into the primary bedroom. Off to my right, there's where we have that entrance to the third floor, and we're gonna pop right out here into the stairwell area. Foyer to the property, big beautiful picture windows. And up here we have 3 more bedrooms. We have an ensuite bedroom and the laundry room with a sink, plenty of storage. So it's very important to have storage. I think it's very important. You're also gonna notice we have shutters on all the windows. You're always looking for places to put things away. So this is an ensuite bedroom. It's got the pocket closets right there. And over here we have the ensuite bathroom. It's all nice setup. This is a full bathroom, so we do have a shower tub over here. And then behind this door and this door, we have your modified walk-in closet. So modified Harry Potter closet. But anyways, the point is you have tons of additional storage right there in addition to the pocket closet right there. So let's take a look at the loft and the other 2 bedrooms up here, which do share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Got this nice chandelier. It's really bright out, but it's got this great chandelier right here. I hope I'm capturing it for you accurately. All right, so that puts me right over here into the loft. We have a nice large couch up here. There's an additional area back here, so you can configure this a multitude of ways. Nice high ceilings. And then back here we have the other 2 secondary bedrooms, and they do share that Jack and Jill bathroom I was talking about. Good size rooms. Here is that Jack and Jill bathroom. You're going to notice matching hardware, countertops, cabinetry, light fixtures that you can see all throughout the house. This is also a full bathroom. You got the Shub Tower combo right there. And that's going to lead us right over here into the other secondary bedroom it shares. Nice sized room again. Got your pocket closet over there. And that's going to pop us right back out into the loft area. So let's go ahead and head downstairs. We've knocked out the 3rd floor and the 2nd floor, and we're just going to go downstairs now. All right, this is the front door to the property. We're going to hit here, and we're going to finish up in the kitchen area when we're all said and done. So there's the front door, or front area. It's nice and covered. You guys should have seen that from when we first walked in. So you got your nice sitting area right here. And that brings us back to the foyer right here. Nice high ceiling, formal dining room right here, very large. And back here we have a half bath. So this is for all your guests to come refreshing and take care of their business at. And then that's going to bring us into the main living room of the house. We'll pop out into the backyard here as well. Take a peek, see at that. All right, nice covered patio. So low maintenance backyard over here. We've got turf, we've got rock. And we'll head right back into the property. All right, so here we are in our kitchen. We have a nice large center island. Double ovens right over there. Additional storage down here in the center island. We have a 6-burner gas cooktop over there. There's your wash machine, sink, kind of looking out, give you a good idea of the area. Breakfast nook too. And you have another door right here that leads out into the backyard. So if you wanted to open that up, get a little fresh air, that indoor outdoor kind of vibes, so you can definitely do that very easily. Butler's pantry area to the formal dining room. We have our pantry right here. And then the last 2 things we have to look at are going to be the garage. Let's hop in there real quick. So 3-car, we have a 2 deep, 2 wide. So it's 2 deep on one side. So you come on in here and you can see we have 2 full-size vehicles in here. We have epoxy flooring. We have overhead storage. And then we have plenty of storage racks as well. Lots of lighting in here, insulated garage door. Lots of outlets, so if you want to have a nice little workshop set up in here, we've got that new hot water heater as well. And just, you know, everything is just immaculate, well taken care of in this property. That's going to take us into this last ensuite bedroom. We have a closet on the right. We have the bathroom right here. Oh, let me get some lights on here for you. Full bathroom, so it's very nice. And then over here, we just have the rest of the office, the bedroom. And you have access out to the backyard right there as well. So, and here's that mini split. So you heard me in the start of the video talking about that mini split. So if you really want to climate control this bedroom, you totally can. But yeah, that about does it for this home. This great house, extremely well valued. So thanks so much for joining. Give me a call if you have any questions about this property, and we'll see you on the next home tour.